So this video is just me driving in a straight line.
Ending nothing.
No, just driving. Well, I'm recording.
Sorry.
It's
That makes you sound corny.
Vehicles, Roshi SBR 4, ESBR 800, and okay, give me a second to work out these technical difficulties. Well, actually, there were no technical difficulties. It's just I forgot this was at 100 times slower than it should be. So I'm just gonna speed. When I crash, that doesn't really change anything. I'm just gonna keep driving in this. I'm just gonna keep driving forward. That's.
No, they are trying to be separate, but the whites are forcing their way in, sir. Mortgage, and you want me to give that up now that it's 5%? Are you crazy?
Okay, so feature number 1 is the tunnel. This is only the first of 2 tunnels. Oof. That's a lot of damage. That's a recognizable quote. So I just keep driving forward. Okay, things are still fine. Everything's fine. Keep going forward.
And the price of real estate has gone up everywhere. So we're going to be broke?
Okay, we're just going to continue going forward. Let's just continue going forward in the correct direction. Just a minute, let me test something. Okay, microphone is working. Get the cars. And okay, let's just set up these more technical difficulties. So, we're back on the road.
How do we keep the shills and the infiltrators out, sir? How do we keep out the infiltrators?
Let's just continue going forward. Right there, and I won't do the time trials. I'm currently recording a video, so time trials won't work unless I'm recording a video on time trials. Now, this is the second bridge I was talking about. I mean, not bridge, tunnel. This was the second tunnel I was talking about when inside of the first tunnel. And as you can see, there are bars to the left, so if you're bad at maneuvering, you're probably not gonna want to blast through this at high speed while swerving or catching someone or having any form of objective other than driving through slowly. Especially during these curves. These things are terrible. I do not like curving tunnels. Because sometimes I scrape the sides. So then we burst out at full speed. How is this? Just a minute. Ah! Almost got myself killed there. 100 plus miles per hour. Yep, cool. And this road may not seem familiar, but does it seem familiar now? And do those buildings in the background seem familiar? Yep, we are in the city.
That's why they're pushing to separate us, sir, because they like their women and children separate. The enemy is a coward.
Let's just continue going forward. And here we are at the bridge, where I like to purposely mess up at by going full speed until the turn comes. Full speed ahead. Oh my god, it looks like someone shaved the car in half. I am not too good at driving. I have a feeling the authorities are going to see this video. I'm not going to get a driving license till I'm 40. just a minute, repair, and get back to the room. So which road should I take? I'm gonna take the one to the right. Okay, just to make it look cool. And, okay, I'm gonna scan. I just deflated a tire.
Let him have the cloud. My cloud. It's not hurting you.
This thing's going very, very fast. 70 miles per hour plus. Get to the right, get to the right. Are you serious? Let's get back to where I was. So it appears after doing that, I just went out the way that I came from. So we'll continue going
like where this is
forward. Go over here in this direction. And it seems that we're going back the way that we came. You see, there's that tunnel again. So I took a wrong turn and I'm now trying to make up for that. So it appears I'm going to be tossed into the right lane. I should have made a vehicle save point, probably. Where's the last save point? This is the last save. Okay, this thing's not working. Okay, okay, it's working. Okay, it's working. Oh my god. Okay, it's working now. Forward gear. How to get this thing to forward gear? Okay, this is gonna take a while. It appears that I was correct. It did just lead to the highway.
Okay.
So we could go this
Boy,
way.
you got about 15 minutes to dinner.
Yeah, we could just go this way.
Yeah, in about 15 minutes, okay?
I know. Okay. Or I could just go forward. Or I could just go forward at 100 miles per hour. Okay, that failed. That failed miserably. How about something with better suspension? Full speed. Did I do it? I almost did it. I almost did it. I was so close. Molecular degeneration. Well, I guess that's all.